Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to control two laptops or one laptop or one desktop monitor using just one keyboard and mouse. I will show you a simple trick to make it happen completely wirelessly using a free tool called Microsoft Without Border. So just need to install this application on your both laptop. Okay, so I am using the two laptop, or you can use one laptop or one PC, or you can use two PC at same time. Okay, so in your first laptop, open any web browser. Okay, and in the Google, here you need to search mouse without border and open the first link, Microsoft Carriage mouse without border. Open it like this and scroll down, and here you can get the download button. So just click on download. Okay, so I have already downloaded this application in my PC, as you can see guys. After download, in your next monitor or laptop, same you need to open any web browser, and in the Google you need to install the same application. Okay, so open it and install it, download it, sorry. Okay, after downloading, close it, and here you can get the setup file shortcut. Just double click and install it. Okay, like this. So the installation process is very simple. Accept the necessary permission and install it. Same on your other laptop, you need to install this. Okay, so first we will install on this. Click on next, click on accept, and then click on install. Okay, now it will install it, and click on yes. So same thing, same application, you need to install it on your other laptop as well. So just double click on it, click on next, same, accept the permission, and then click on install. So guys, once installed, open the app on your main laptop, click on no on the first pop-up screen. When it asks you have already installed it on another PC. Okay, so just click on no on your main laptop. On your second laptop, just you need to select yes button. It will show you a security code and computer name on the main laptop. Now on your second laptop, open the mouse without border, same application, select yes from the pop-up menu, then enter the same code and computer name shown on your first laptop. Okay, so by mistakenly I have skipped that video clip, that's why I am explaining you clearly. Okay, both laptop will connect automatically, and at that time you can get this type of screen on your both laptop. Okay, so just click on apply and then close this. So I have external mouse as well. So the external mouse was connected to my main laptop. I want to use this same mouse on my secondary laptop as well. So guys, now what you need to do, just move your mouse cursor from the border and move it into the next screen like this. Quickly mouse cursor was showing in my secondary laptop, so at that time I can easily able to use this. Not only the mouse guys, you can also able to use the main laptop keyboard on your secondary laptop as well. So for example, I will open any Word document. Okay, so from my main laptop I will type, let's see how it's work. Okay, so as you can see guys, whatever I am typing in my main laptop, same alphabet was showing in my typing in my Word document on my secondary laptop, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, so the application is working very fine and very smoothly. So just need to remember this guys, you need to connect the both laptop and PC with the same Wi-Fi network, okay, or any LAN connection. At that time only it is possible. Not only this guys, you can also able to copy paste the file as well. You can also able to drag and drop this. Okay, so for example, if you want to move any file, or if you want to copy or paste any file, so just select the file, simply drag it on your main laptop. As you can see guys, the file was successfully drag and drop. So that's how you can control multiple laptops wirelessly using a single keyboard and mouse. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful Windows trick every day. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.